Thank you very much. My name is Sergio, and I'm the co-founder of Bitloops. Bitloops is an AI agent and co-pilot that automates the generation of professional-grade front-end code. Now, you've probably heard that WordPress powers about 50% of the internet, but what you don't know is that 70% of the investment into front-end development is custom manual coding. The truth is, even today, businesses require scalable and custom software, and that can only be done through manual coding. In fact, there is a market of 12 billion euros annually of developers converting designs into code, which needs to be disrupted. I'll give you a real-world example. We asked 54 freelancers to convert a simple landing page into React code, and we got an average of 330 euros in 16 hours. Well, Bitloops takes less than 20 euros and in about 2 minutes. And I suppose you're asking, well, how is this possible? Do you use AI? Well, yes, AI is key, but there's much more to this. What we've done is we've studied how an engineer would consistently convert designs into code, and we've automated each of those steps. Most of those steps are actually using our own algorithms, which are precise and consistent, but sometimes we do use AI. We then orchestrate all of these steps into a reusable and a dynamic model that can export into any programming language. Now, the truth is this solution simply wouldn't be possible a year ago. Now, we do have direct competitors, but what they do is they convert every single element in a design into code. And this requires that the design be very well structured, which the developers amongst us would know is never the case. What Bitloops does is it analyzes the design from the ground up and creates a model and then generates a structure similar to how a developer would. And this allows us to then generate professional-grade code. Now, the competition ranges from simple AI wrappers that are simple to use but produce very poor results, mid-tier companies that are offering slightly better code but harder to use, and the real only option for professional code today is manual coding, which is slow and expensive. Well, we want to offer the same quality as manual coding, but with far less effort. Now, our business model is very simple. We will have a freemium model, so developers can get their hands dirty and try it out. And then we have 3 premium subscription plans, depending on the usage. And users can always buy more credits as required. Our aim is to capture 30 to 50% of the cost savings we generate, whilst also offering a much faster time to market. Our go-to-market strategy is based on product-led growth and founder-led sales. We will offer Bitloops to developers through a freemium version, and then we'll attract them through content marketing, influencers, and community building. The founders will be targeting product and engineering teams, and we aim to build a sales team in the near future. But this is just the beginning. We actually believe Bitloops will be valuable for ongoing and long-lasting projects. We aim to add more design platforms, offering more languages, etc. The team is 7 engineers. I myself started 2 companies prior to Bitloops, one similar to BitTaxi, where I met Vasilis. Vasilis has 12 years of engineering experience, and he studied AI before it was actually cool. We have 5 more engineers in the team, 3 of which worked with us for 5 years already. Now, we are currently in closed alpha and are backed by Level VC. We are raising now a seed round in 2025 and have a term sheet from a Greek VC and some angel investors, and are looking for additional commitments so we can accelerate our development, expand the team, and scale our go-to-market efforts. Thank you.